Thank you so much for visiting this page, and I can see you've all been searching and wondering why you yawn during meditation. I've been guiding meditations for over 16 years. I've been actually practicing meditation, guided meditation, myself for over 30 years. So what meditation does is it helps to raise your vibrations and raise your frequencies, especially in these times that we are in right now that have been so uncertain and tumultuous. The key right now is to go within. Meditation helps you do that. The guided chakra visualization meditations that I do, that come from the Vedas and pre-Vedas, so it's more than 5,000 years old, the healing techniques, it's all applied with my meditations. I've had probably over 3,000 people coming through my meditations in the past 16 years. I know 80% of them I've helped to improve their lives. They've learnt to focus, they've found their inner calmness. We all have this as children, and then it gets knocked out of us through society as we grow up. We are in changing times now because we're finding that the frequency of the earth is increasing, so we're moving out of 3D into 4D into 5D. Some of us already in 5, 6 or 7D dimensional frequencies. They all have various benefits. 5D is a beautiful space to be in because you have the inner calmness, you have the joy and the happiness regardless of what's happening around you. One of the key things I recommend is just switch off the TV, because a lot of that is programming, it's negative. Do watch good movies with no interruption that make you laugh, that are happy, that are funny, that are inspirational, things to learn about keeping your home beautiful, how to garden, how to protect nature and wildlife, and that's one of my other passions. So you're wondering, why do I yawn or burp when I meditate? Okay, so when you go through the meditation process, as your frequency increases, as you relax, all of that stored tension that's pent up in your muscles, in your body, in your psyche is released. So good meditation helps to detoxify your releases. Part of the detoxification process of releasing the negative low energy is burping, is yawning, is crying sometimes. It could be anything. You'll feel pins and needles going through your body. That's another sensation. Heaviness, lightness, flashes of light. My varying attendees in my meditations have experienced many of these different ascension symptoms, is what I call them. Another one is you can get very tired. So you would sleep for an hour during the day if you can, or sleep in the morning if it permits. Sleep is good because it's another way of allowing your body to heal, to release, and it's part of the ascension processes we're going through. We're moving through the photonic beam belt in the universe. The photonic beam, the solar flares, the light, it's all changing. The sunlight's changing. It's a higher frequency. It's all assisting with the ascension process. So hopefully this short video gives you a bit more insight into the benefits of the meditation, why you yawn when you meditate or burp or whatever other symptoms you may have. It's okay. It's all transitional. It's just part of the process. And I hope you found this little video informative and helpful. And thanks so much for visiting my site. And I encourage you to stay on the site, take a look around. If you read the meditation testimonials, there's a lot of insight there as well and more information. And also the membership part of the site will be built up during the year, so I'll be putting a lot of my Zoom meditations up there, so you can pay a one-off fee and then listen to it as per the instructions that are set aside for you. So once again, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.